Hey everybody, Nate Lee here, and I'm just hanging out on my back porch. Last time I did a video from here, it was still winter, I think, but it sure has gotten green. The trees are blocking my view of downtown Providence a little bit, but it's fun to look at all those trees. And if you look way back in the distance, you can actually see some wind turbines and stuff on the horizon, so it's pretty cool. I like to hang out back here. But anyway, I've got a new class out that I want to tell you about. A bunch of you have been going to my courses, and thank you so much for doing that. It's been really fun teaching you. I've had a great time and really enjoyed getting some new content out there that I had not released before. And speaking of, my next course starts, when are we in March? May 29th, Monday, May 29th. And it is called Be a Mandolin Kickoff Hero. And the reason for this title is that you all have probably experienced this. And I remember when I first learned to play and was going to jams, I'd go to the jam and everybody wants to do a song and nobody nobody knew how to start it out. It was bluegrass. There might have been people saying things like nobody knowed. Just because the songs tend to have lyrics like that in them. But anyway, nobody knew how to kick off the songs. So everybody would be staring at each other like, all right, we want to start this song, but what are we going to do? How are we going to start this song? And whoever did know how was truly a hero in the jam session. They were the one holding things together. They were the one that everybody looked up to. And most jams don't have anybody like that. So that means that's on you. You need to be that. You need to be the kickoff hero. And I will be doing some other courses on this same theme, the things that you need to do to be a hero in your jam circle and to help people play better. So the class starts on May 29th. And I know that is a holiday. Some of you have plans with your families and stuff. It's at 8 p.m. Eastern, but it will be all captured on video, and you'll get a copy of that. You can watch it as many times as you want. You'll also get access to my Slick Kajabi course where you can keep track of your progress and ask questions there and stuff as well, including being able to ask questions live and email me to ask questions. So if you want to ask questions in class, you'll actually be able to ask questions live on camera, but if you miss a session and you're just going to watch it on your own, you can still send me questions and I'll be happy to answer them. So it's going to be 3 sessions, just like my other classes. If you sign up before this coming Monday, which is what, the 22nd? Let me look. I forgot to look this up before I started. The 22nd, yeah. So if you sign up by Monday the 22nd, you get early bird pricing. It's $90. If you wait till after that, it's $100. So make sure you sign up right away. You're going to get 3 sessions, 3 Monday nights in a row at 8 p.m. Eastern, and they're going to be hour-long sessions. I'm going to present the material. We're going to hang out and chat beforehand. We're going to hang out and chat afterward, and you can ask questions live on video. It's not just a one-way format. So it's going to be really interactive and fun, and you're going to learn the kickoffs you need for most of the situations you're ever going to encounter. And it's going to be presented in a manageable way so that you don't have just reams and reams of paper you've printed out with all these kickoffs that you don't have hope to learn on a normal working adult schedule. So these kickoffs are going to be designed for you to master quickly and be able to use in a variety of situations, not just something that you have to spend hours on in order to be able to kick off one song and then you've got just this mountain of other kickoffs to do. It's going to be really, really manageable. And we're going to cover kickoffs from traditional styles, and we're also going to cover more modern kickoffs, things like the Steffey Punch, so that you can start off songs with a lot of power and excitement. And we're going to cover how to kick off fiddle tunes, and we're going to cover the right way to count off songs. Most people count off songs wrong, and then the song goes wrong. So I'm going to show you exactly what you need to have the song go right. And I'm going to show you how to be the kickoff hero in your jam circle or in your band. So sign up right now. Make sure to sign up by Monday the 22nd in order to get early bird pricing. I keep feeling paranoid that I said March again. It is May. It is May right now. Sign up by May 22nd. Class starts May 29th. I can't wait to see you there. We're going to have a great time. All right, link is down below. Sign up, and if there's any particular situations you'd like me to cover, make sure to let me know, and I'll do my best to work it into the curriculum. All right, bye everybody.